Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox a new style from the Stimulate collection by Wille, which is a European collection called Celina and in the color chocolate rooted. So if you are watching not in Europe, you can get this from Adorance Trendco in the UK because they ship worldwide, and my code K20 will give you 20% off as well, just so you know. Let's have a look. It looks like a really lovely style for summer from the pictures. So let's actually check it out. I haven't had a shorter piece in a brunette color for a while, so quite interested to see what that looks like. This one has an extended lace front and a monopart, and that looks like it goes all the way back to the crown. So that gives you that natural part line all the way. So that's great. Oh, that color is sumptuous. So it's a bob with layers, and then you have, I would say, really just an idea of like waves in it, and it looks like you have a bit of a fringe. I think it looks great so far, and I think that might be great for summer. Right, let's pop it on. Right, as we all know, wigs straight out of the box need a little bit of sometimes just finger combing will do the trick. The main thing you need to just bear in mind is that position is right. So 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose. So that's about right on me. Right, I tell you what, this is extremely light. I do not feel this on at all. Right, let it just fall where it wants to fall naturally before I do anything else with it. This is cute. This is incredibly light. Incredibly light. So let's look at it from all sides before I do anything to this one. Let's look at the lace front. Now this is a darker color, but look at this. And that mono part. So let me just play with it a bit. I think on me I probably would want to tuck it behind my ears. Like so. And have this look. Oh, this is great. This is, I think, if you're looking for a short bob with a little bit of some kind of wave in it for the summer, this is great. So obviously I will review this in depth very soon, so stay tuned for that. Tell me what you think of Celina so far.